I visited Agastya during my summer vacation to get an experience in this environment, and I've been here for 3 days. It's been an amazing experience and very different from many other places I've visited because here, like, you're along with the nature and with the flora and fauna just everywhere around you, and I've also learned many new things. Like on the first day, we did innovation hub where in innovation I haven't really done like any projects which is just you get a puzzle and you just have to solve it in a very short time. So that was a lot of fun, and I also learned new concepts in like physics and chemistry and bio. We also visited a nearby village where we met children from that village who were studying at a school and are also working with the Agastya Foundation. And they were also very nice and very intelligent. They had some activities with us, and they also danced, and they made us a lot of gifts, and it was a lot of a very good experience. Then I also did a lot of things that piqued my interest, like robotics and coding. I worked with the Dexter uh, module for robotics, which I hadn't done before, and I also programmed the robot. And in coding, we worked with a Raspberry Pi, which was a lot of fun. And other than that, this experience has been very enlightening, and I've learned a lot of things. And all the instructors here have also been very nice. So